Hello, class. This tutorial is going to go over the Excel portion of your lab, which is on question 13 of part 2. So to begin, you're going to just download the version of Excel that works with your computer system. Each version of Excel, PC versus Mac, has slightly different equations in it, so please make sure you download the correct version. So in the first part of activity, you're going to rank the peak flood discharge in order of decreasing magnitude, starting with 1 for the largest amount of flood discharge and 11 for the smallest. Now, you could look through every one of these and rank them yourself, or you can type in an equation and have Excel do it for you, which is what you're going to do next. So this equation is called a rank.eq function, and you start by clicking on the blank box under rank, type in equal, rank, EQ, type in a parentheses, rank dot EQ, parentheses. You'll click on your reference number, comma, and then click and drag all of the numbers you're going to reference it against. Now, I know you can't really see it here, and you're going to hit a comma again, and it's going to show you how you're going to organize them by descending or ascending order. We're going to do it by descending, so type in 0, then close it out with another parenthesis, then before you hit enter, go back and type in a $sign for C before 4, and do it again before C and 14. This just locks everything into place. Now you can hit enter and go up here and you'll see a little box here. Click and drag it all the way down. And this just did it all for you. So once you have your ranks calculated, we can then calculate the recurrence interval using the formula T equals N plus 1 divided by M. And N is the number here, plus, which is 11, plus 1 is just 12. So we're going to type in equals 12 divided by M is here, enter. I'm going to go again here, click your little box, and drag it all the way down. Now over here on your chart, you're going to see that when you did that, this populated it with all of your data sets. What we want to do first is we want to actually give this chart a title. So go over here, click on your plus button, click on chart title. And when you click on this, if it doesn't all highlight at first, you can hit Control A to select everything. Then type in Mercer Creek data. All right. Then we're going to go down below, and just to get it out of the way, we're going to go ahead and label the second chart, which will plot your other 2 data points. So we're going to call it Green River data, if I can type correctly. Okay. Once you have both of the charts labeled, then you'll just want to repeat all the same calculations for the other 3 data sets. After you calculate the rank and recurrence intervals for all of these data sets, now you need to draw the best fit lines in Excel for these 2 data sets. You do not want to use the trend line feature to do this, as it will unfortunately be incorrect. Instead, what you should do is go up here to the Insert tab, go to Illustrations, Shapes, and click on the arrow. And just click and draw one here. Make sure it goes out all the way to the edge of your graph. Then you have these little 2 points when you can move it around and try to get it to fit over as best as you can. There we go. Should look something like this. Each one of these graphs will have 2 different best fit lines, as you'll have one for each data set. So it's probably best that you go up here and you can change the color so that you can differentiate them much better. Once you've done with one set, go ahead and move on to the next. Once that data is plotted, do the same thing and make the Green River data best fit lines 2 different colors as well. And once again, when you are done, you will need to save your Excel sheet. And then once you've saved it, you will need to go back over here and you will need to choose your file, upload everything that you have done, and that will be your answer for that question of the lab. So if you have any more questions about that, please just review this video. If you are still not sure what you are doing, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to help you. Make sure you upload your Excel sheet again as an XLSX format or XLS format. Any other file submissions will receive a 0. Good luck on the rest of your lab.